Nature has a language of its own, soft, healing, powerful, and incredibly wise. It speaks without words, yet its voice is understood by the soul. Every sunrise tells us that no matter how dark the night is, light will always return. Every flowing river whispers that life must keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles along the way. Nature is a gentle reminder that growth is not rushed, beauty is not forced, and everything blooms at the right time. That is the message we share here on NatureVerse Media, a place where the heart meets the wonders of creation. Have you ever stood before a mountain and felt small yet inspired? Mountains teach us that reaching great heights takes patience, endurance, and courage. They remind us that the climb may be steep, the path may be lonely, but the view from the top is always worth the struggle. The wind that brushes across the peak whispers, "You are stronger than you think. Keep climbing." That is the spirit of nature. The spirit NatureVerse Media is here to bring to you, to awaken hope within you, to lift your heart when life feels heavy. Walk through a forest and notice how every tree has a story. Some stand tall, some are bent. Some carry scars from storms, yet they continue to grow. Trees teach us resilience. They show us that storms will come, winds will shake us, and seasons will change. But growth is always possible. A tree never gives up, even when its branches break. It simply grows new ones, reaching again towards the sky. In the same way, life invites us to rise again, to heal again, to hope again. That is the wisdom of nature, and it is what NatureVerse Media shares with every soul that listens. Nature is full of adventure, endless, breathtaking, and inspiring. The oceans roar with a power that reminds us of our own inner strength. The waves crash, retreat, then crash again, teaching us that life is about persistence. The desert, despite its heat and emptiness, still births flowers, showing us that even in the hardest conditions, beauty can thrive. The northern lights paint the sky without needing an audience, reminding us that you don't need to be seen to be magnificent. Nature is a living teacher, constantly showing us what the heart often forgets. Even the smallest wonders of nature carry deep meaning. A caterpillar breaking into a butterfly teaches us transformation. It shows us that sometimes life requires us to be still, to go inward, to shed what no longer serves us so we can rise with wings. The stars above remind us that even in darkness, we can shine. The rain shows us that tears are not a sign of weakness, they are a cleansing. After the rain, the earth becomes greener, flowers bloom brighter, and life feels renewed. This is the secret beauty of nature. Nothing is wasted. Everything is part of the journey. Nature inspires us to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with our purpose. It reminds us that life is not a race. Flowers do not bloom by competing with others. They bloom by being themselves. The sky never apologizes for the storm. It knows the rainbow follows. The bird never fears the branch breaking because it trusts its wings. How peaceful life becomes when we learn to flow with the rhythm of nature. And that is what NatureVerse Media is here to give you. Moments of reflection, peace, adventure, and inspiration through the beauty of the natural world. When you feel lost, go to nature. Sit by a river and let the sound wash your worries away. Watch leaves sway and learn the art of letting go. Climb a hill and feel how your heart beats, not just to keep you alive, but to remind you that you are still here, still capable, still becoming. Nature has the power to heal you in ways words never could. It teaches you to trust the process, to embrace your seasons, to understand that everything has a purpose, and that life is always preparing you for something greater. So, if life ever feels overwhelming, remember the lessons nature offers every day. Look at the sun. It rises again no matter how dark yesterday was. Look at the moon. It shines even when only a part of it is visible. Look at the seed. It grows in darkness before it reaches the light. Look at the eagle. It flies highest when winds are strongest. Nature is a mirror reflecting the strength within us. And here at NatureVerse Media, we are committed to sharing these wonders, adventures, and life-changing reflections with you. May nature inspire you. May it remind you of your strength. May it teach you patience, courage, and hope. May it awaken your spirit, open your eyes to beauty, and fill your heart with peace. And as you journey through life, remember this: just like nature, you are evolving, expanding, becoming. You are a masterpiece in progress. Keep growing, keep believing, keep rising. The world needs your light, just as nature never stops shining its own. Welcome to NatureVerse Media, where nature speaks, hearts awaken, and souls find their way home.